guys, welcome to the Traveling Hobbit. I'm Neil
and I'm Bishop.
So today's episode we're going to be cooking one of my favorite food or soup, really, which my mom used to make when we were ill, when we were kids. It's really nice to make this during winter times as well, especially we're in the UK now. So it's called chicken Arroz Caldo. And
Arroz Caldo?
Yeah. The first time he mentioned it, it's Alice Cardio.
I blame autocorrect.
So it's Arroz Caldo. It's kind of like a rice congee soup, which consists of chicken, garlic, ginger, spring onions, rice. So it's kind of like everything is there, and it's all packed with vitamins and minerals. So hopefully you would like that as well. So we'll take you along on how to cook it, basically.
Yep.
And so we're going to the kitchen, and
let's get cooking.
We have to start cooking.
Yay!
See you later. Hi guys, so we're in the kitchen now. So we're going to be starting to make the chicken Arroz Caldo. So as you can see, all the ingredients are here, and we're going to be looking at this one by one for you. So we have the onions over here, and we have the rice, importantly, and then we have there's two garlics actually. There's minced garlic, chopped garlic, and this is the grated garlic. It's kind of like a paste that we did it. And also we have ginger, and we have fish paste, and we're also putting turmeric as well, powder.
Yep.
To make it more kind of like colorful really. Yeah. And some pork scratchlings
Crackling
and some chicken, and some salt and pepper, and some stock as well, chicken stock as well. So hopefully that would work out quite well. Okay. Yep. So let's start with it then.
And trust me, it's really tasty.
We're going to be adding up egg as well, so we're going to boil some egg. It's just for to make it more filling for us really though. So there you go. So
cool,
we'll start cooking then. You put the spring onions first,
and the minced garlic.
Minced garlic. Yep.
That is the minced garlic. Yep. Smells good already.
Smells nice already.
So we cheat, we use pre-cooked chicken that we then chop up. So if you're not feeling very well and don't want to do too much cooking, it's an easy way to make it a quick soup. I'm full of useless information. We're going to pop the stock in next.
Yeah.
So that's 1 cup with some chicken and vegetable stock.
All in.
All in there. And then we're going to pop some more water in as well. What you got there?
So we're putting the turmeric on now, just to add up a color. There you go. It looks a bit orangey, yellowish now. It's supposed to be like this color actually.
It's nice.
And then we're going to put the rice as well, and the fish sauce.
Fish sauce.
So then maybe we should probably simmer this for about 10 minutes time, just to make the rice like cook. We need to cook the rice basically. And then after that we are going to be ready actually. That's it, and then we just have to garnish it, and then we're going to be boiling the eggs as well. Okay?
Oh, it smells so good.
Smells nice. We're boiling now the egg as well, as you can see from here.
What eggs?
And we're just going to garnish this to serve. Just make sure that the consistency of this is kind of like creamy consistency rather than watery. So we're just making it more smooth,
Yeah.
as you can see.
Is it the starch out the rice that makes it creamy?
I think so, yeah. But yeah, we're nearly there.
Cool. Do we need to do anything else?
I think we need to crush the pork scratchings and what you call
fry some garlic bits.
Yeah, fry some garlic.
Let's fry some garlic.
Okay, we're frying some garlic now, okay? This one will be smashed as well.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah. So we're serving up our soup. This one. So we have to garnish it with the pork scratching, sauteed garlic, and some spring onions, and a dash of lime. You just have to squeeze on the top some lime, okay? We're just going to be tasting this awesome soup. So here we go. Top. Really nice. It's crunchy at the same time. It's warm, and you can taste all the garlic and the ginger as well, and the chicken, and the pork crackling, and the onions. So everything really in one bowl. Really nice. That's it for you guys, okay? Hopefully you'll enjoy that. Make sure you press the subscribe button below, like, comment, and share, and comment something back, and press the bell so you can see our videos every week, guys, okay? So always remember, guys, create happy memories and always keep smiling. See you soon. Bye.